Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some layered hairstyles, some curtain bangs, some bob haircuts, and just a few of the popular hair trends that we are going to be seeing for 2023. First up, we see this gorgeous layered haircut, absolutely beautiful. Layers are going to be huge for 2023. This is a trend that is really starting to gain momentum, and we can really thank the wolf cut haircut trend for that. So next up, we are going to see another layered haircut. So she does have more of that curtain bang style within the layers. This is absolutely beautiful. The hair is also highlighted throughout, creating a great dimensional look to the overall tone. And with the layers and everything, it just really looks amazing. So moving on, we see another layered hairstyle. That one did feature blonde money piece highlights. And then we see this gorgeous dimensional pixie cut. So she does have blonde at the top, black in the back. And then we move on over to the next hairstyle. So this one is also going to feature more layers. So the stylist is doing curtain bangs for this one as well. She is also rocking one of the hottest hair color trends for this season, and that is, of course, a very light ginger tone. I almost want to classify this as like a beautiful kind of strawberry blonde color. And I think with the layers, it just looks amazing, definitely giving off that 70s vibe. And then we move on to a bob haircut transformation. So the bob is definitely still trending in 2023. She has like this really pretty reddish brown shade, and she was able to get an angled bob for this particular haircut. So if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to like today's video. It really helps my channel out. And of course, leave me a comment on which hair trend that you are seeing in this video that you want to try for yourself. If there is a look that you are kind of wanting to try, definitely leave me your thoughts in the comments below. There we saw another blunt bob variation, and then we move into more of an undercut pixie haircut. So with the undercuts that we're going to be seeing this year, they really feature a lot of detailing, a lot of line designs, and just detailing within the shaven portion of the hair. This really just adds some interest and some edginess to the overall cut. And I am loving the different variations and varieties of pixies that we are seeing. So next up, we see someone with very long hair. Now her hair did look like it was layered just a tad, but she is going with more of a blunt bob haircut. And then the stylist has moved things even further with the choppy pixie. So she did end up getting some bangs with that one. And if you are longing to see more of that blunt bob, here is an angled variation. This, of course, is a longer bob, aka a lob, and it is perfect for those who want to keep some length, but they still want to get in on the bob trend. So we move on to the next one. So she's already rocking a jaw length bob. I think that this is beautiful, but she decides to switch it up to more of a baby bob. This one does have more of that cascading feel. Beautiful. She kept her hair color as well. And then for the next one, she does have a bit of a pixie cut, and she has cut the hair into more of a mixie style. That is, of course, a baby mullet. And then we see the styling of an undercut pixie cut. So if you guys have loved any of these hairstyle ideas within this video, don't forget to give this one a like. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest hair trends. And I will, of course, see you in the next video.